5 good reasons why you should upgrade to the Vention Dash Pro Series charger. Number 1, no more kalat. Hindi mo na kailangan na maraming charger. One charger na lang for your tablet, laptop, as long as it's using USB Type-C kasi hindi lang isa, dalawa, tatlo, kundi hanggang 4 na devices ang kaya mong i-charge dito ng sabay-sabay. Number 2, sobrang bilis mag-charge. 140 watts po ang kanyang output at naka-GaN technology, which means mas efficient, mas mabilis po siyang mag-charge. Less waiting time, more usage. Number 3, my favorite, kayang i-charge pati ang laptop. Hindi lang tablet, phone, or other devices. As long as your laptop uses USB Type-C for its power source, kaya pong i-charge ni Vention Dash Pro Series. Hindi na lang siya pang phone ngayon, pang work setup na rin. Number 4, it's travel-friendly, foldable plug, compact design, at dahil nga naka-GaN technology, it doesn't have to be big to be powerful. Kahit ganito lang siya kaliit, 140 watts. And of course, hindi lang siya basta brick charger, kasama na rin yung ating high-speed woven Type-C to Type-C cable. Last but not the least, number 5, kapag naka-Vention Dash Pro Series charger ka, hindi ka na manghuhula kung alin ang kinakarga sa phone mo because naka-TFT LCD screen na siya, kita mo mismo yung pinaka-power output, kaya alam mo kung alin ang kinakarga talaga. So no more hula, safe na safe ka pa. Kaya kung gusto mo na hindi na makalat sa inyo at isang charger na lang lagi ang gagamitin mo for most of your devices, this is the Vention Dash Pro Series charger. Click on the Shopee link. Stay safe and peace.